Hello everyone, welcome to the Affordable Watch channel. Today we're unboxing a brand new budget-friendly PARNSRPE watch from AliExpress. Is it worth the price or just another cheap watch? Let's find out. The packaging looks simple yet elegant, with a gold logo printed on the box. It's well packed, ensuring maximum protection during shipping, which is essential for a delicate watch like this. Inside the box, we have a user manual and some cards. But let's skip that and take a look at the watch. It looks well protected inside the packaging. There's a protective film on the glass. Let's peel it off. First impressions? It looks stylish and minimalist, perfect for casual wear. The dial is clean and well designed with a smooth finish that gives it a premium feel. The case back is smooth, with no engravings or markings. This is a comfortable looking silicone strap with a double loop and pin buckle design. There are no engravings on the back of the strap, but you can see some breathable gaps. As you can see, this is a stylish turtle-style dive watch, perfect for summer adventures. The blue dial is as stunning as the summer sky and the ocean. The inner bezel has 5-minute increment markers, while the outer bezel features a counterclockwise diving scale. I counted, and it has about 120 clicks. Since I've never tried diving before, I'm not sure why the 20-minute marker only accounts for 10 minutes. But the 25-minute marker seems correct. Does anyone know why? Like this, as the minute hand moves from 20 to the dot, let's take a look at the crown at 3 o'clock. This is a screw-down crown. Pull it out slightly to adjust the date. Pull it out a bit more to set the time. The countdown minutes align with our reference dot, but unfortunately this dot doesn't seem to have lume. Can you see it clearly? This is the inner scale marked from 5 to 60 minutes. It makes reading elapsed time very intuitive. But again, why is the 20-minute marker showing only 10 minutes? Let's screw it back in and take another look at this beautiful watch. According to the product listing, the seller describes it as 50 meters water resistant with a screw-down case back. I think that's more than enough for daily use, don't you? Let's listen to the 120-click bezel. It feels incredibly smooth, with no stiffness or play. Looking at the dial, the hands seem to have C1 or C3 lume. Let's check it out. It's clearly a green lume. The hands are brighter than the dial. Can you see that glow? It looks beautiful. I really love large luminous areas like this. I hope I can admire its glow while swimming. Here's how it looks on my wrist. At 12 millimeters thick, it feels very comfortable to wear. Now let's check it out under natural sunlight. The ice blue dial gives off a refreshing vibe. Even indoors, you can still see a faint lume. The polished 316L stainless steel case has a beautiful shine. For under $100, I think I'll add this to my collection. Let's do some quick measurements. The bezel measures 40 millimeters. The case is around 42 millimeters. Including the crown, it's about 46 millimeters. The thickness is 12 millimeters. The lug width is 20 millimeters, so if you want to change the strap, 20 millimeters is the correct size. The bezel on this watch is stainless steel. The gear-like edges provide extra grip, preventing slipping. PARNSRPE also offers another version of this watch in pink. Same crisp clicking sound. Which color do you prefer? This series also allows for strap changes. For example, here's a red silicone strap. Using a simple tool, it's a super cheap kit. If you love collecting or customizing watches, you should definitely own one. Just pop out the pins like this. Let's swap in the red silicone strap. How does it look? It's a bold, eye-catching color. Great for pairing with trendy outfits. Now, let's check out the blue silicone strap. It's a deep navy blue, but I noticed something while installing it. The blue strap feels slightly thicker. It might be closer to 21 millimeters instead of 20 millimeters. But it still fits just fine. Here's how it looks with different straps. Overall, at this price, this watch is a solid choice. It's lightweight, comfortable, and stylish for daily wear. Would I recommend it? For under $100, absolutely. If you're interested, check out the link below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews.